Chainsaw Gym opening sequence. A panoramic shot of a city engulfed by blood-red lightning. Skyscrapers crumble under a raging storm of ash and fire. Glowing crimson text pulses. Hell begins now. Violent thunder crash plus distant explosion echo. Denji crashes into a pit of burning corpses on a deserted street. Episode 10. First bed of blood. Chainsaw revving. At insane speed, plus bone snap. Power soars above the wrecked cars, clutching a pulsating devil's heart in her hand as she screams. More. Give me more. Sudden popping text. More than you can handle. Scorching wind howl, plus pounding heartbeat. Close up on Naki, swinging a demon-infested sword. Plur. He cleaves a colossal devil's arm in one brutal motion. Fragmented text. Every second, a kiss of death. Sharp slash plus dark demonic wail. Makima stands in a blood-soaked, pitch-black room. Prush. She advances slowly as flickering shadows dance around her. Flashing text. No one escapes this reality alive. Controlling whispers, plus rising dark choir that cuts through the fear. Denji stands amid a swirling vortex of blood and ash. His chainsaw trembles in his grasp. Blood pools at his feet as he glares defiantly at the lens. Wavy text. Now, are you ready to join the madness? Chains snapping apart, plus a muffled scream. Echo. Camera zooms in on Denji's face as he snarls. Denji, if you survive, subscribe or get lost. The Chainsaw Man logo rises through a swirl of bloody smoke. Final glowing line. Subscribe now. Embrace your inevitable death.